На 8 марта опоздаем.
Ja, volle kracht moet vooruitgeven, dat weet ik wel. Ja, je hebt die kronen mee. Die containerkroon had hij mee met zijn bruggen. Ik kan hem zien bewegen. Oh, die kronen valt! Fuck, die kronen valt!
Oh shit!
Fuck! Wow, I don't shit!
Yeah, and Kristen, that search spanned over 20 hours and 1,400 square miles. The Coast Guard deployed helicopters, airplanes, and a cutter to the area. They say the Scandies Rose was facing stormy conditions at the time it went down, and that the decision to suspend this operation was a difficult one.
Here we are.
Videos from past seasons on the Scandies Rose show it's no stranger to rough conditions. And those that crew these boats in the Gulf of Alaska are no stranger to tragedy either.
Got quite a few people that I knew and friends that didn't make it.
The 130-foot Scandies Rose sank late New Year's Eve after putting out a mayday call that launched a Coast Guard search and rescue and a call for other vessels in the area to help.
The current conditions were just really, really bad. So, you know, either there weren't vessels in the area who were close enough to assist, or the weather conditions were so bad that they couldn't condition because it was beyond their safety parameters.
They believe 7 people were on board. 2 were rescued by helicopter and taken to the hospital in Kodiak. 5 are still missing.
They parked just a couple hundred yards from here, where we're at, right at the other end of the same dock.
Veteran fisherman John Cross knows the ship well. It spent the off-season near his own in Ballard. He also knows the tough conditions faced this time of year, when seawater meets cold air and freezes.
That spray builds so quickly. It adds weight and makes the boat top heavy in minutes.
But we don't yet know what brought down the Scandies Rose, though the Coast Guard will investigate. Officials have not released the names of any of these crew members. We have been speaking to some folks that know them, though, and are working to get more information. We do know that when those 2 crew members were rescued, a second life raft was found, but it was empty. Back to you.
vez que o caminhão empinar, aí eu, assim, penso que o planejamento do brasileiro é uma coisa bem interessante. Olha lá o caminhão, você foi, América. Olha só, olha o que está acontecendo.
Caiu. Meio pesado.